Today on Southern Accent Foods, I've got a light and refreshing summer salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, and mozzarella cheese in a light vinaigrette. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to need is some small tomatoes like cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes. They've got red ones, colorful ones, round ones, football-shaped ones. Just use whatever you like. I'm keeping it basic today and using the plain old red ones. You've seen this before. Get 2 container lids to slice your tomatoes in half. Put the tomatoes in, cover them up, and carefully slice through sideways. Next, you're going to need a seedless cucumber or an English cucumber. Chop the ends off, cut it in half lengthwise, and then cut each half in half to make quarters. Dice them up medium. The next thing you'll need is a package of these tiny mozzarella balls. You could use the larger ones cut in half, or you could use a large ball or brick and dice it up. Basically, you just need to get all these ingredients into a large mixing bowl, and now we'll make the vinaigrette. You've seen this one before too. Start with a jar and some olive oil. I'll link to the full recipe down below. Pour in some balsamic vinegar. Season it up with some salt, pepper, and optionally a little bit of cayenne. Now spoon in some Creole or spicy mustard. This helps emulsify everything. Get a lid on it and work it like the Atlanta rhythm section. Pour in just enough of your dressing to coat everything and mix it all up. Now we're going to do a chiffonade of fresh basil. Don't let the fancy word scare you off, it just means tiny strips. Layer together a few basil leaves and roll them up tightly like a cigar. Use a sharp knife and cut them into as thin of strips as you can manage. You could use chives or mint would be fantastic in this. It's time to eat. Change this up however you like. Onions, avocado, or any of your fresh summer peppers would be great in this too. If you'd like another great summer salad recipe, click on this video right here, and I'll see you there.